begin the story with the name and surname or a stage name, the city and country in which you're living. Next, you talk about your creative titles, regalia, profession, specialization, work experience, and everything that you consider important to tell about yourself. For example, why did you come to this profession, what this profession gives you, and so on. Video length should be no more than 30 seconds. Now for an example, I will tell you about myself. I'm Masha Panova, world champion in the makeup and body art, silver medalist of the European Championship, international master, judge of the All-Russian International category in the section of makeup artists. I teach my own courses in media make and body art as therapy. My recommendations, advice and reviews of cosmetic products are regularly published at the top Russian media. As an expert, I took part in the programs of Andrei Malakhov, news stories of the First Channel, TV channels Россия, Пятница, RU-TV, and many others. As a makeup artist, I worked on the set of various music videos for many celebrities of the Russian show business, as well as in fashion shows with the leading Russian designers.